So today I'm at Stratford Lighting Festival, and this is the dandelion lighting setup. So you can see it will change color. So nice. So Stratford is also considered as called as a Shakespeare town. So now I'm in the dandelion. So I'm on the other side of the dandelion. So I will go through this one again. So we are walking towards the light wall. It's cold. So I can see the light wall in front of me, and I'm going to switch my camera to the front. So let's see. Light of wall. Now. Back towards the dandelion, and I will pick my car from there and go to another attraction. So they have given us a coupon for hot chocolate. So we are going towards the bar, which are giving the hot chocolate. So there is bunker, and they are giving us free hot chocolates. The bunkers, and they are setting up for the next singer. And here's the bar, and they are preparing our hot chocolate.
On my way. He's so hard to see how tomorrow.
We're not leaving. Okay, so I got the coffee, and now going back. It was good. So our now next destination is Space Island. So we are at the Lake Island, and this is looking very pretty. I like the reflection on the water.
Yes, she did, baby. Fantastic.
Okay. Oh wow, this is so beautiful. Hey, how are you? This is so nice.
Oh, that's cool.
So on touching poles, it changes color and music. So this is the other side of the island.